Good evening, good evening, newbies. You're welcome to the group. Today, I told you guys that we're going to be creating an app called Mind Reader. So I'm going to be making use of sketchware. Yes, you log into your sketchware. You click this button here to add your plus button. Okay, the name of our app is Mind Reader. Mind Reader. So you want to add an icon. Choose from gallery. Let me use this image to represent the icon. So I'm sure this now, you guys are beginners. I'm sure people in the group 1, group 2, group 3 now they are perfect in something like this. I've taught them, they're gone far. Especially this one that are in my master class, they can do this with the speed of light. So first thing I'm going to do is add your your vertical linear. You set the width to match parent. You set the width to match parent. The second one will be your horizontal linear. Let's the height. The height is now. Let's set it to be 250. Height is 250. Want to bring this linear now, this particular linear to the center. So what will we do? We'll click on our linear 1. Then we'll click on horizontal vertical. You also what I just did. Center horizontal, center vertical. Okay. As you can see, it now at the middle. So from here now, you know, I want to add text view. Now, look at the text view. I want to bring the text view to the center, so I will do the same thing. I'll click on this particular one first, then gravity, vertical, horizontal. Okay, I want to add another horizontal linear, so I will place a button here. So I'll drag my button from here and place it here. I want to bring the button to the center. I click on this linear, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. You can see here now. This tells you I want to make it to be bold, like to be large. Text size, I want to bring it to 25. Let me make it 30. You can see it's now bold. I can add the text style. Let's be bold and italic. No, let it just be bold. Okay. Then this button also, the text size, I can bring it. Let me make it 16. No, let me make it 25. Okay. Then the text, that is the button text. Alright. And click me. Click me. Okay. Now, do you know that we can add pictures? We can add a background pictures to this linear and to this block. So for us to do that, we have to go click at this top to import our pictures, the pictures that we are going to be using on this particular project. So you click on import that image. This is your red button, plus button. You click. Yes, and image. Okay, I'm going to make use of this image. I need to write the name. The name must be small letter. B. Let me see. BBG. And it must be 3 alphabet. I can add this to my collection so that the next, if I'm doing any project next time, I don't have to go back to my gallery to take this image again. So, but I don't want to add it to my gallery. So let me click here. Okay, I want to add another image again. I'll be using for the background. Click here. Click here. Which image? Let me go with this. Okay. You know, as usual, the name must be small letter. Can be anything. You can write anything that you use on the picture. Yes. I think we don't. Okay, I want to add another image again. I want to add, but that I have that image in my collection. So let me go and pick it from my collection, because I've saved it in one of my previous projects before. So yeah, I'm done with my images. The images that I'm going to be using on this particular project. So from here, let me start with this one first. Let me go to, yeah, click on background resources. I would like to use this image. Okay, then from here on to add the image background resources. I use this image. As you can see, it's making sense. Our app, the application is now making sense. Application is now making sense. At least you are doing something now. Okay, from here, let's think of. Let me use one image. One fine image from here. Let me go and import it from one of my previous and projects. Look at images. I have a lot of images. Here. Which image? Let me just make use of anything for this tutorial sake. So okay, now let's go back to our app, to the designing. So I want to use image for this background resources. Click on this. Okay, you can see we are doing something great. Now we are done with this designing. This is the XML aspect. We want to go to the Java aspect now. We want to go to the programming aspect of this app now. You click on this event. Click on view. Like when button 1 is clicked, you know what? Where is the button 1? This is the button 1. If this button is clicked, what will happen to this text view? What is it going to display? That is what we want to do now. So you click here. Click there. Then when button 1 is, you click on the button 1. When button 1 is clicked, what will happen? You use your if then block. Then if the system is going to pick a random number, what is that random number? Pick random number. Okay. Then equals to, like this programming language, like it's just like my mathematics. Like the system is going to pick a random number. Like it is going to pick, okay, the number will be from 1 to 3. That is going to pick random number from 1 to 3. Then if the number picked, that is with this block now, is equal to 1, what will happen? Then we'll go to our this now. We'll go to our view. We'll go to set text. Which text is it going to set? It's going to set the text text view 1. Which one is the text view 1? Let's go back. Let me show you something. This is the text view 1. So it's going to set it. That is when this button is clicked. Not only that, if this button is clicked and the system will pick random number from 1 to 3. If the number is equals to 1, the number picked, the random number picked is equals to 1, then it will set that text view to no. Okay. Then remember we said this is going to pick a number from 1 to 3, so we have to do this block in 3 places. Okay. We'll do the same thing again. If then block. Go to operator. Equals to number. Okay. Then pick as random. Hey, remember it still remains the same. This one 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Then for here now, if this time it will be 2. If the number pick is equal to 2, what will happen? I'll tell you. It's going to set the text now. That particular text view, this time it will set it to no. To yes now. To yes. So we have to do the last block for the last number, which that is when the number picks as random is equals to number pick as random is equals to 3. So now, for us not to start doing back, we have to copy this block by dragging it there. Then bring it here. That is all. Therefore, here now, okay, let's also set it. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Let's leave it at yes. Yes. Then we have to change this one now to 3. To 3. As you can see, we are done with this building. We are done with this. We are done with this. You can go back now. So from here, do you know that I don't want anything I don't want this text view to show in our app. That is when we run it. I don't want it to show. So I'll go to my thing, text. I'll click on that text view. Erase this text view. Let it be blank. Is my system will show it. It tells you here. Okay, my system will show it if you run the app. So let's go back to our app. Let's run it or test. Run. I'm sure I've gone far in many things. Like this one, I've not had any components yet. There are many components. There's nothing like timer component here. There's no intent like moving from one page to another. There's no admob. I've not linked it with admob. But do you know that with this little app that we do, we can link it with admob app, and admob ads will be displaying. And when you click, you'll be earning your cool money. If you want to know about that, why don't you just join us? Make sure you use this COVID-19 break to learn something big, to learn something great. Do you know, how do you think that those programmers, those app developers are making their money? This is what they do. Program already, then link ad to it. Then people view their ad. I mean, people click on their ads, or you can do self-click if you are interested. So I want to install now. Install. Yeah, install. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Now I want to ask my question. I want to ask a question now. Sammy, have you taken your bath today? Yes, thank God. As you can see, I actually have taken my bath today. Okay, let's ask another question. Have you eaten today? Okay, no. He said yes. Okay. Is your mom at home? No. I can see. So the app is working. Like if you keep on tapping, it will bringing out. It's like the number pick at random. If it's equal to one particular number, it will set the text to either yes or no, like anyone that you set it. So thank you very much. I hope this helps you. Please, I would like us to join, like you all of you to join us